Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You should verify your domain in Google Search Console right away. This lets Google know you exist. Next, pick one primary keyword for this page and use it in the title tag, H1, and meta description so Google understands intent. Create a focused page of 300 to 800 words that answers a clear user need. Once done, ensure the URL is clean and the sitemap XML is submitted. This gets indexing moving fast and sets the foundation for discovery. Now optimize the page and site so Google ranks it higher. Improve page speed, aim for under 3 seconds by compressing images, enabling caching, and minimizing scripts because load time affects ranking. Add structured data schema to explain content type and include descriptive alt text for images so search understands context. Make sure your site is mobile first and add internal links from related pages to this new page. Together, these steps improve crawl efficiency and relevant signals. Finish by requesting indexing in Search Console and watching coverage and performance reports, because you need visibility into clicks, impressions, and errors. Build a few relevant backlinks and share the page on social channels to generate initial signals. Once traffic starts, monitor queries and CTR so you can tweak titles and snippets. If things go wrong, like no impressions, check for crawl errors, blocked resources, or mobile issues. Fixing those usually restores visibility quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.